How to install hard drive to Wi-Fi HD. The bottom of the enclosure, the top of the enclosure, the metal tray, and the screws with rubber shock mount are all included. Slide the 2.5-inch hard drive to metal tray. As shown here, carefully slide the 2.5-inch hard drive, aligning as such. Align screw holes on the side of the hard disk to the metal tray, as shown here. Secure hard drive in the metal tray using the hardware provided. Please insert the screws into the brackets. Take your screwdriver, place the screws in the holes, and secure carefully by turning to the right. Please do this all around, as shown here. Please take care that each screw is fastened tightly. Mount hard drive to the bottom enclosure. Please notice the notches on the bottom enclosure and place your metal tray with the hard drive over those notches. You notice the screws fit nicely right into those notches. Take the top piece of the enclosure and align it to the notches provided. Once carefully aligned, you should be able to squeeze and click all around to ensure that the enclosure is closed tightly. Please take care in observing the seams to make sure that your enclosure is completely closed.